Okay, kids, we are officially live right here. I'm going to try and use this so you can focus on just the board. Please pay attention right now. We need to understand that this is part of the learning process, the correcting. Don't worry about your score right now. What you're worrying about right now is, do you truly understand this? So that you can give yourself a ranking when we get done on how you feel about combining like terms, and as well as order of operations. So we'll start off with the first one. We have a perimeter. We're trying to find the perimeter of a triangle with sides the following lengths. So what I would do if I were you, I would actually draw out my triangle. Okay? And yes, I struggled in art class. Can you tell? Okay. One of these sides is 2a plus 4. That's this side right over here. So I'm going to cross that off. I have that taken care of. One of the sides is 3c plus 7. And the other side is 6a plus 4. Now, I didn't show you this method, but it's just another way to do it. When I'm going to combine all these, I'm going to line them up like we line up place values. So I can compare and add my common terms. So I have 2a plus 4, 4c. Thank you. I better add that. All right. Okay. Then I'm going to add that to 3c plus 7. And I'm going to put my 3c right underneath my 4c. And I'm going to create a new column for my regular number, 7. And then I'm going to add 6a. I'm going to put that underneath my 2a. And then plus 4. So now I can go through and add them all together. We've been doing this part. 7 plus 4 is what class? Good. Now, if we go back, I'm going to combine these a's. But remember, all 2a is a plus a. Everybody agree with that? Okay. And 6a, all that is a plus a plus a plus, I'm going to run out of room, a, and then 2 more a's. Plus a plus a. Yay! Okay? And so if we look at all of those a's, we could technically say a plus a plus a plus a. And if we got a value for a, let's just say a is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus. I don't want to do that, do you? I would rather say, well, there's 8 of these 4s, or 8a, and then I could just simply multiply 8 times 4. So I'm going to combine them by saying that's 8a. The 6 of these a's plus 2 of these a's for a grand total of 8a. And then I can do the exact same thing for c. 4c plus 3c gives me a grand total of 7c. And there I did simplify. I did combine my like terms. That was lesson 1.9. Okay? So there's the correct answer. And now we're going to move on to number 2. And I'll do questions after once we stop, all right? What's the first step we have to do on number 2 here? Exponents first, right? Because we're following the order of operations. What is 5 squared? 25. Now, kids, I want you to look at who you're correcting. If they wrote 10, I need you to help. I need you, when you hand it back, you need to tell them. We need to make sure we understand exponents. 5 squared is not 10, it's 25. Then what's my next step? Yeah. 3 times 12. What is 3 times 12, class?
36.
36. All right, so now this is my new problem. 25 subtract 36 divided by 2. Last period, I had one student. Someone tell me what's wrong with this. Last period, I had one student that told me this. Mr. Martin, number 2 should be a bonus point because we're going to end up dividing a negative number. Okay, it's not right. Tell me what that student do wrong? If they thought we were dividing a negative number, what did they do wrong? Yeah. They didn't do it. We have to divide before we do any adding or subtracting. So we need to do 36 divided by 2. What's 36 divided by 2? 18. So our problem ends up being 25 subtract 18, and we get a grand total of 7. Okay? So there are your 2 points for today in your homework quiz. When you get home tonight, I will have this video up for you so you can see it if you want to go back and review. Some of you might need to go back and review, especially lesson 1-9. That's one of the tough ones of the chapter.